In today's video, I want to show you how to block someone on TikTok. To block someone on TikTok is very simple and very easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your TikTok account. So let's open up my TikTok app over here. So once you open up your TikTok, you can see we are now inside the TikTok app. This is the TikTok homepage. So the next thing you want to do, you want to look for the person you want to block. So let's say I want to block this person. So what am I going to do? You have to go to this person's profile first. So you can get to his or her profile by tapping on their name. So let's tap on this name. So once you tap on the name of the person you want to block, then it will take you to that person's profile on TikTok. Once you are inside the person's profile on TikTok, you have to check the top right corner. So you're going to see an arrow over there pointing to the right side. I want you to tap on that arrow. So once you tap on that arrow, then check under here, check the bottom here. You're going to see a bunch of things here. You can see where it says block. So I want you to tap on this block. So once you tap on this block, it will ask you for confirmation if truly you want to block this person and it's not a mistake. If you are sure you want to block this person, you just want to tap on block again, and this account will be blocked from your account on TikTok. This is how to actually block someone on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.